Hi boys and girls. It's time to work on our problem of the day. So before we get started with it, let's go ahead and look at the two problem solving strategies that we're going to focus on. The first one, of course, is act it out. So we can use our fingers, counters, or anything to act out the problem. And our other one is to draw a picture or diagram, which is what we do when we solve once we solve the problem to show our work. Okay, so I'm going to read you today's problem of the day. I want you to close your eyes. I want you to imagine the story and think what's happening at the beginning of the story, the middle of the story. Do we know how it ends? And you're going to retell it to someone there at home. So go ahead and close your eyes. And the problem of the day says, Mike saw 10 ladybugs on a flower. Then 3 ladybugs flew away. How many ladybugs are left on the flower? So I'm going to read it one more time, and I want you to imagine the story, and then you're going to retell it. Mike saw 10 ladybugs on a flower. Then 3 ladybugs flew away. How many ladybugs are left on the flower? So go ahead and retell the story to someone there at home. Tell what happened at the beginning, the middle, and the end. All right. So now, let's make a little BME chart so we can write down so that we remember what happened at the beginning, the middle, and the end of the story. Okay. So at the beginning of the story, I know that there were 10 ladybugs on the flower. So I'm going to write a 10 right here. In the middle of the story, 3 of the ladybugs flew away. So I'm going to write a 3 right here. Now, we don't know how this story ends. This is a result unknown, so I'm going to write a question mark for the E. The story did not tell us how many ladybugs were left. That's what we have to find. So we know that at the beginning there were 10 ladybugs on the flower, and then 3 of them flew away. So now I want you to think, are we joining to add or separating to subtract? Are we joining to add or separating to subtract? Okay, please share with someone at home. What do you think we're going to do and why? All right, very good. So we're going to separate because some of the ladybugs, they went away. Okay, so that means we're separating. So our number sentence, we're going to use a minus sign. So blank minus blank equals blank. So now at home, I want you to use some counters. It could be beans, little toys, Legos, anything you have to act it out, to solve the problem. And then I want you to draw me a picture and write your number sentence. You can post it back to me. Take a picture and post it for me on either Class Dojo or on our Google Classroom.